scares, mommy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play. Trick or treat, give us something sweet. Candy, chocolate.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to put up the Big Lots video for the Scarecrow. It's the 8.5-foot animated Scarecrow. So we'll let you see what we do real quick and let you see what it looks like. And this one is a battery operated one. So we've got it down here next to our entrance. We don't have to have no power ran to it. So this will be the first year we put it down here, and we'll show you what it looks like. So let's get started.
Let's get started, guys. And we know it is getting dark, but we're going to do this anyway. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
A and B, and it should say A and B on the sides.
No, it don't say nothing. They were literally the same.
Are they selling these this year again? Have you seen them on the website?
I think so. Pretty sure.
Sorry.
Is that facing the right way? Nope.
Yeah, flip the base. There you go.
Like that?
Yep, and then they go down like this.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
All right.
I think that one goes on the other one.
I was getting there to say, that don't work. He's going to be sitting on the ground. All right, now we're going to put the pants on him. Right?
Yep.
I was like, I don't want to get ahead of you, but I'm pretty sure that's right from last year. I can't remember.
You're right. Yeah, we had purchased him last year.
Yeah. All right. What are we looking for?
His circle waist.
His what?
His circle waist. Is it still in his shirt?
Right here?
That's it.
All right.
And then this has Velcro on the inside of his pants.
Yeah, this is the one that kind of ringed around. The rest of them, they just pull up over it. But this was got Velcro all the way around it. And remember here, we're going to do the front, right?
Yeah, I was going to say, because we struggled with this last year. Look, it's a thumbnail moon tonight.
It's a what?
Thumbnail moon. It's pretty.
And we love it. It's getting close time. This is what, the first weekend of September?
Yes.
And we are getting decorated up for Halloween.
Listen, y'all, and it's the first day in Kentucky that it has been like in the 70s and 60s. And it is amazing.
Cool out here now.
I love it.
I was going to say you have to pull them around.
Well, I didn't want to keep undoing it because I didn't want to pull it off of your end.
Well, I think the rest of it we need to go on and pull around. Yeah, there we go. Now.
Oh,
Careful.
I know it. All right. I need K, which is just one bar.
What is it?
K. See if he's under that one. Okay. He might still be in here. Oh, that's a hand.
I was gonna say, I think it's just his head, ain't it?
Oh, it's already still on there. We didn't take it off. Oh, hold on. Yeah, he's next.
There we go. Where's his arm at?
Here, you got the wrong side. You got the wrong side, Bubba.
Oh, here. Bend it around. I was gonna say, I don't think it's in the way.
I'm gonna move him a little closer.
Come in if you dare. All who enter beware, for it's Halloween. Come in if you dare.
Okay, guys, so we got him set up. We showed you what he looked like and stuff. We've got this sitting down here at the edge of our driveway. We're thinking about maybe getting a set of the driveway sensors and hooking up to his step pad.
Yes.
That way, when a car pulls in, he will go off.
He's sound activated.
Yeah, he's sound activated, so that's about the only way you can do it. Either that, or you'd have to put a step pad. Nobody's going to be down here stepping on him. So we thought maybe we would hook that up. We're going to have 2 columns coming into the driveway. We could actually put that on the columns. That way, right when they're pulling in, he'll kick on. So we think that'll work, and we may, if we get that done, she can add that to the end of this video. That way, when you're watching it, you'll be able to see how that works.
Yeah.
So with that being said, that's all we have tonight. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we appreciate you watching our videos and stuff, and we'll keep bringing you great content.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Stay spooky.